Hey everybody, Sharon here, back with another soaping video on how to make soap. My soaps that I've done are on my Etsy shop, L&A Little Flowers, so go check that out. Today's scent I'm excited for because I'm going to do a couple of things different. Woohoo! Paired lye solution. To where it's mixed up, nothing separated, and kind of like a light trace. So okay, you see where it leaves a little indent in there? That is a trace, because you can see a trace of it. Still not fully incorporated. It kind of looks like a grainy applesauce there. That's normal. And as you work with the soap, it comes out. This scent that I'm going to use is by Nature's Garden Aromatherapy Relaxation. And with all this Corona, COVID-19 stuff going on, who doesn't deserve a little relaxation? So I'm going to split the oil into 2 parts. I'm going to add some kale and clay. It's 2 teaspoons per pound of oil. This is almost 2 pounds. So, and 3 teaspoons equals a tablespoon. So my kale and clay in there. And this one I'm going to, it's Mad Micah's I Dream of Purple. That's so pretty. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
I think that should be good. Because Mad Micah's is usually pretty pigmented. Okay, and then in the kale and clay, I'm going to put a tiny bit of TD just to give it some extra white. Good stuff. This white part, I'm going to put some apricot seeds in there to give a gentle exfoliation. See how that looks. Okay, so we will start in the middle. Now I'm going to spritz a little rubbing alcohol. Here I have some Sleep Lavender bath salts. Okay, just kind of makes it like ooh. And then to really send it over the edge, I have some cute little lavender buds, lavender flowers. Actual, maybe I should spray again. So they stick more. So there we have it. Nothing too exotic or anything, but we have some lavender flowers. And these are the bath salts with the salt that I used.
This is really small. The bath salts that I used are really big.
Yeah, just subtle. So anyway, I'm excited to cut into this tomorrow, and we'll see you back here in 18 to 24 hours. Later.
Later. Bye-bye.
Can't forget about the beauty shot.
Go.
Okay, so we're back. It's been a little over 18 hours, about 20, so we're going to cut this thing. And I think I have it all lined up. Okay. Oh my gosh. Workout. Holy crap. Yep, that's what I call a fantastic workout. Okay. Oh my goodness. So here is the lavender, and this part also smells like lavender, and it's gentle exfoliating because of the apricot or apricot seeds, whichever one you prefer to say, and then the bath salts and rose, and the not rose but buds on it. Wow.
Very pretty purple.
Yes, very calming, relaxing.
You think it's going to discolor?
No, this will not discolor. This is for anybody that's had a stressful day, and in these times with COVID, who doesn't need a relaxing bar? So, the lavender flowers on top are just gorgeous. This is a very pretty soap. If you like this soap, you like this video, what you saw, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button in the corner. Alright, well, thanks for watching everybody, and as always, happy crafting. Later.